everybody to a Bangertorial, but it's sort of a Bikertorial today. I'm actually sitting on BSA Bantam. It's a 1957 D3 Bantam, 150cc, which I've owned for a terrifying amount of my life. And sometimes people say, well, why don't you do videos sort of saying how do you take things to bits and do them up again. I'm not qualified to do it. I do have a go at things. I worry that I could get it wrong. I'm not qualified, and somebody who is qualified might say to me, oh, you should have done that, and instead of that, and that will blow up and kill people, and so I don't want that to happen. So what I want to do is finish off restoring this. So as I say, I've been doing this basically since I was at school, and actually I don't think I've done too bad a job with it really, but I am very, very slow. House moves, career changes, and all sorts of nonsense. Means it was in boxes, out of boxes, and all over the place. But I think I'm old enough and silly enough to finish it off now. It's the main part to do, although there are some detail parts still to be done, is the engine itself. It's a 150cc, and I'm not quite sure whether this belongs to this. It looks as though it does, certainly when you look through it, but I'm not quite sure whether it is exactly the right thing. So I've got to go and find lots of parts that I need and buy them and put it together like a Meccano set. And I'm rather looking forward to that, but the most difficult thing is to find all of the bits, and then I'll have a complete BSA Bantam to play with. Not that I play with bikes, I find them slightly terrifying and dangerous, but this should be a good laugh. Whilst we wait for something else to arrive back into the garage, and hopefully the next video will be about that, and there'll be a story about that. We'll start looking for motorcycle bits. It's Bikernomics, and if you have any BSA Bantam bits, please let me know, because I might buy them off you, because I may not have them. Mainly engine. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.